Here are all the ingredients you will need for making your vegan butter. Crunchy leaves, little tree. Okay, seriously. So your plant-based milk, your cider vinegar, nice with the mother, nutritional yeast, with B12 if you like, coconut oil, turmeric. What is that? Selmul. It's salt. Sea salt. And I'm choosing to use hemp seed oil. Okay, that is your ingredients. The recipe I was following was suggesting canola oil, but I'm choosing the omega-rich, perfect ratio of omega-3 to 6 fatty acids for human consumption. Hemp seed oil. Let's get started. So I found myself in Planet Organic not long ago when I was looking for all these different ingredients for different food I wanted to make, and butter was one of them for making a long list of recipes, because lots of things require butter, but vegan butter I thought, make my own. I'm going to make my own of everything. And so I thought, hey, that looks like a great stainless steel tin for putting butter in. So we'll check that out. You can freeze it, put it in the fridge. Let's crack on with the butter. 240 mils of coconut oil melted. You can see we're in England. It's October and the oil needs to be melted because it's rock solid. So my glass jug was stained yellow with turmeric, which has coloured the coconut oil. But anyway, I'm going to pour it into this container that I'm going to blend it all together in. And 80 mils of your unsweetened plant-based milk. Soy apparently is best. Is that about 80 mils? There's still some of the oil left in there as well. And then your teaspoon of cider vinegar. In there goes. And then stir it until apparently it curdles into buttermilk. I'm adding in 2 tablespoons of oil of choice. Whoop, whoop. Almost overflowing there. Okay, and then just add in the buttermilk that you've just created. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, add in a pinch of turmeric. Pinch. That's for colour, and a pinch of the, half a teaspoon of salt. That's about half, there you go. Teaspoon of nutritional yeast. I'm just gauging it with my hand. Easy. And then to the blender. Amazing how it's got a buttery smell already, and you just pour this into your butter dish. And I'm thinking I'm going to do double quantities to fill it up, but then you just refrigerate that until it's hardened, and that will be your butter, your vegan butter. God, it does smell like butter. That's amazing. It must be the vinegar that actually really does set off with the nutritional yeast that really... Ooh, I'm looking forward to having this on toast. So I made a quick second batch quickly, and here, just to top it up. But I was just totally amazed. This is the first time I've made it, just following recipe. How buttery it smells, and hang on. It's not exactly like melted butter, but gosh, it's very close. I have another butter recipe that I'm going to follow, see how that one goes, but I'm going to try this one out first, because I want to make some bread, I want to make some cookies, and well, they're going to be healthier than had they been made from actual butter. So better wash this up. I'll show you this when it's solid. And there you have it. Your solid vegan butter. It has a strange smell like rhubarb that's been cooked. But hey, it's going to be used in cooking mainly, and I've got another recipe that may even smell and taste more like butter, but this comes very close for now.